Time to make some bangers. How we doing? Today we're gonna be doing, well, first of all, let me slow down. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are good. Today we're gonna be doing a Future type beat because Future just dropped his Wzrd album, which was totally fire. But anyways, we're just gonna make a beat that, you know what I'm saying, Future would probably rap on. But yeah, oh yeah, by the way, album, terrible. I didn't like it. You guys can get mad at me. You're gonna dislike the video, I don't care. I didn't like it. I honestly think Future fell off, and it is what it is. But we're gonna make a Future album, or wow, we're gonna make a Future type beat. And hopefully it'll be better than some of the beats that were on the album. So, alright, let's open up the Omnisphere. Because that's the only VST I know how to use. Alright, there we go. Now time to look for that preset that I think would be nice. Now, Electro Perk, what is that? I think we are gonna start laying stuff down now, so let's do that. All right. Let's do this. See, if that had more control in it, I could use that, but it doesn't, so I'm not going to use it. I want to hear it one more time, though. Okay, this is really weird. Didn't think I'd choose this sound, but it sounds pretty fire. And I really want to try it out. So here's what it sounds like. It's called Radio Tone Melodies. I've noticed that I don't really tell you guys what presets I use, so like, well, here it is. It's called Radio Tone Melodies. Where is it? It's in like the Retro Land category. Yeah, it's in the Retro Land category. It sounds. Here's what I got so far. I think it sounds pretty decent. I mean, it sounds a little messy, but like, it's still fire. So like, obviously that's gonna be like the background melody. So I'm gonna add another melody like I always do. So let's do it. Alright, so I finished the counter melody, and well, I think it's pretty decent. I think it's sounding kind of nice. I slowed down the first melody a little bit, just so it can match up with the counter melody. The counter melody is kind of slower, so yeah, here's what it sounds like. But yeah, that's what I got so far. Might as well just go off the drums now, shouldn't I? Might as well, right? So I might as well just go into the drums and see what I can do. But yeah, let's freaking do this.
Years later.
Okay, alright. 808 patterns are done, and I messed around with the melody again. I had to. I don't know why. I gotta make sure it's perfect. So here's what I got so far. After, yeah. Like, let's go to the hi-hats now. Let me just do the hi-hats before I get. Let's do it. Oh, you know what time it is. You already know. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all. Here's what I got. Here's what I got. Okay. Here's what I got. Listen. I told you that preset was gonna be fire. I told you. But you know what? Let's just let's do this. I'm almost done actually. Wow, I'm almost done. That's crazy. Well, I mean, you know, when you're this good, you just. All right, you guys. So the beat is all done, all ready to go. I thought it turned out pretty nicely. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to turn on post notifications when you subscribe. After you subscribe, whatever you do, just subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 6K, all right? I need you to help me get there. So just subscribe. That's all you gotta do. Like the video, share the video, all that stuff. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox beat.